That is right, guys. We are about to be changing out the Yamaha Tracer 9 shifter. We are going to be installing the new quick shifter on this bike, and we did get the Yamaha part, and it's a very simple kit. We're going to go ahead and pull this off. I've already started on it a little bit and got everything loose. Going to go ahead and get that pulled out. You're going to want to make sure that you pull out your dummy plug, because on the Tracer 9, it's already wired in. So there's going to be a plug up here. Your dummy plug's going to be plugged in there. Make sure you take that out before, because you're going to have a hard time putting that thing in because it won't go in. We're going to go ahead and get this thing put in real quick. Not really much instructions there, but we're going to go ahead and do our best. We are going to get it put on right. And just like that, she is on, baby. You do have to program your bike. You got to hold your shifter up for 10 seconds. Hold the shifter up. Turn the key on. You're going to hold it on for 10 seconds. You're going to go ahead and turn the key off and back on. You should see the quick shifter settings right here pop up. It did take me a couple times to get it set up. I had to go ahead and unplug it, plug it back in, but went ahead and took it down the road. It is wet out, and this thing shifts smooth. You got the settings on there where you can change it. If you go into settings, YRC mode, and come over here, quick shift up, quick shift down. You got your settings for acceleration 1 and 2, deacceleration, acceleration, deacceleration. So I got to play around with these and figure out where I like it. That's your downshift. But yeah, so far so good, guys. Nice and easy. Only took me about 10 minutes. You want to make sure you get your measurements right. Now the distance apart from here to here is going to be the same as when you had it stock. All right, so it comes out to be about 9.35 inches, but get it where you want it, check it, make sure everything feels good on your bike, and then get everything tightened up. I am probably going to put a zip tie on there, but as of right now, I just got it tucked in. It's right here above your starter. You had a little wire holder that you could put it in, get it plugged up. It's nice and flush. Let me go ahead and get this plastic pulled down real quick. So now I got the plastic pulled down, and you can't even see it. Can't even see it. So rain and anything won't get in there, won't mess it up. But yeah, guys, turned out really good. Super impressed. It's nice and hot out right now, but besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's nice and simple. Read the instructions. It's not hard once you figure it out, but there's some videos out there for you guys to like. If you like this one, hit the thumbs up button. I do appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned. Some more videos coming soon on the Yamaha Tracer 9.